Joshua Van Etten, the Brigade Operations Officer for the 173rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team Airborne. This is an operation called Peacemaster Unity. We're utilizing the heavy airlift wing out of Papa, Hungary Air Base. They are providing 2 C-17s over the course of 4 days for us to execute personnel airborne operations and heavy equipment airborne operations, to include multinational airborne operations with the Romanians, Hungarians, Dutch, and Polish. The T-11 is a good parachute. We're still working through slight issues with it to build proficiency in the T-11 parachute. Juliet Drop Zone is probably the softest landing I've had in 15 years of experience with airborne operations. Also to include the Italians, which will be jumping this week as well.
I'm Second Lieutenant Matthew Kane with Charlie Company, 54th Brigade Engineer Battalion, 173rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team Airborne. Today I had some Polish troops inside of my aircraft, and they got to work with our jump masters to learn how to work our parachute, the T-11, as well as our procedures for exiting the aircraft. So just working with them, we learn a lot about their airborne operations, and they learn a lot about ours. In this exercise, we're doing a joint airborne operation with some of our foreign allies from NATO. Basically, we're jumping into Juliet Drop Zone, and then also conducting heavy drop operations. I enjoy using the T-11. It's a pretty big parachute. It's slow to deploy initially out of the airplane, but it provides for a very soft landing.
Check equipment!
Okay.
Okay!
Oh, okay, jump master!
Stand by! Be like down!
1,000, 2,000, 1,000. All right, then. Pull right here. All right, now grab here. All right, now stand up. All good? Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead and stand over and let's check them out.
Bring it for me, huh?